To me, Dr. Easy. I'm here supporting the ARP, the RBE. They just finished Good versus Ivy Boom.
What you thought about that?
It was crazy. Ivy Boom went first, and this must have been the best Ivy Boom I have ever seen. Like, he definitely had some shit. But I don't think it was enough. Good is way too seasoned, and he just proved that once again.
And the crowd just, everything he says, the crowd go crazy.
Like, the crowd definitely loves him. Yeah. But this was definitely the best Boom I ever seen. And Boom says, he wanted this battle because he respects him. So, I mean, this Boom, you also have to battle who you want to battle. Like, it makes it a better battle.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
you can see something they both kind of wanted too.
Yeah.
Just from what they were spitting and everything like that.
Nah, that shit was crazy. I would have been happy with 3 rounds of that.
Yeah,
Some battles, like, it was a 1 round, but it was so good and Boom put up such a fight.
Yeah.
Like,
I felt like that should have been a 3 round because that was like, that was too short for us. Like, we needed more of that.
Yeah, but I like that battle.
What you think about the RBE event? Let's let too.
The overall run is pretty good. I really like the cards that came out. I'm a little disappointed that Vixen didn't show up because I wanted to see Vixen versus Mulatto Black. I think Mulatto Black is dope.
Debo in the building.
I think Mulatto Black is great. Shout out to Debo.
That's what I'm saying.
And I'm a little disappointed in that. So, I mean, we see what's happening next. I know Swabe and
Show Off.
Swabe versus Show Off. I really want to see that battle.
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy.
Show Off is dope. Like, I think he's dope. He's hungry, and it should be a little bit more.
Definitely. So besides the event, like, what you been up to? How's everything rocking with you?
No, seriously, I've been up to a lot. Like, it's so exciting. I'm actually now working with Riders Magazine.
Okay.
I do a column for 100 bars. So we're taking the column that I do for 100 bars and putting it in Riders Magazine because they want to promote, the battle rap culture.
Okay.
That magazine is printed. You'll be able to find it in the Harlem bookstore, on certain newsstands. And they actually reached out. They want to give battle rap the cover 2015. So, good. Things don't know yet, but he's gonna be a part of it. I want him a part of it.
Okay.
Pratt will be a part of the cover. They're the 2 new shooters, and I'll fuck with them.
Okay.
I have full control, so whoever I fuck with can basically get on the cover. Hopefully DNA and Clips not battling, because they battle every week.
Yeah.
If they're not battling, they'll be a part of it. The shoot should be around maybe the 16th. T-Rex, K-Rock, Smack. So we definitely like it.
Oh, that sounds crazy.
Yes, I'm excited. They reached out, and so.
And I'm feeling the war report, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what is your, like, actual position?
Those guys are crazy on the war report.
Yeah.
Like, sometimes I try to hop on, but with that, I try to stay more behind the scenes.
Okay.
Keep the promotion going, keeping the tweets going, basically promoting it.
I think that's a dope show.
I try to hop on, but I let the guys do their thing. Like, I don't need to be front and center for everything. And I kind of like, the online thing and everybody talking on the phone, it's not really my thing. So I try to take the promotion route.
Okay.
But it's all the same family, it's all URL, and that's where you can find all URL.
Okay. Will we ever see you in a ring battle ever?
Man,
What's good? You and Boss Chick, whatever.
I don't mention them. I have nothing to say about them.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Nah.
Do you know who they are?
I'm just trying to throw it out there. So
Ain't nothing to throw out there. I'm they not.
Okay.
Actually, being here, ARP actually reached out for a battle.
Okay.
And it was with the unknown girl. She
What, unknown?
I mean, she didn't take the battle, so there's no reason to really talk about her.
Okay.
I'm not gonna talk about somebody that, I'm not a battle rapper, but it is something that I would want to do one time, and she would have been a person that I felt like I could try it with, since she does talk, she talks a lot of shit.
Okay.
And I feel like that particular person, her style of rapping, I couldn't match it. She does a lot of real talk, and I really had some shit to address. But it'll never happen, so there's no reason to talk about it. I refuse to give shine. I am at the roof right now. I'm a motherfucking princess of this rap shit, so.
Okay. Well, you know, we're gonna try to instigate some shit anyway and see, you know, hopefully it happens.
I'm gonna say this right now on hiphopisreal.com. Whenever y'all see me on camera, don't mention no other chicks to me.
I got you.
Alright? So that's how we gonna do that.
Alright.
But definitely out here, and I think the next battle is us. Thanks for having me. Shout out to Hip Hop.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Fucking block life. You posted at the stop sign. Pumpers run up on you at the stoplight. Kick your